everyone, hope you're safe and well. Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I am going to create this look. This is a very simple makeup look which can be done under 10 minutes, and I decided to do this tutorial in natural daylight. I'm not using any artificial lights so that you get a proper idea how this looks in natural lighting. The products which I am going to use to create this look will be mentioned in the description box below, so do check it out. Now without further ado, let's begin the tutorial. Alright, let's begin. So I'm starting off with a clean moisturized face. In the morning after cleansing my face, I did apply a bit of moisturizer and my sunscreen and a bit of lip balm as well. Now the first thing which I'm going to use is a primer. I'll use Lakme Blur Perfect Primer. This primer is actually great for your no foundation looks because it kind of, instantly freshens up the face. Next, I'm taking Etude House Colorful Vivid Tint in the shade Maraschino Cherry. I'm going to straight apply this tint on my cheeks and then follow it up with my concealer and powder. I'm applying this first because I want a very neat tinted look on my cheeks. So after applying the tint, when we use our concealer and our powder, it's going to give a smooth finish. I'm just blending it up with my fingers. Without taking extra tint, I'm running my finger on my nose. I'm going to add just a little more tint. Alright, this is done, and I know I look like a clown at this point of time, but it will all come together, I promise. Next, I'm going to take Swiss Beauty Liquid Concealer in the shade 03. This I'm going to apply under my eyes, on the bridge of my nose, and just a little bit on my forehead and chin. Now I'm going to blend this up with a beauty blender. This is from e.l.f. It is their Camo Concealer Sponge. I really like it, so I'm going to use this to blend this out. Do blend the concealer out on the area where you have applied the blush. Okay, so the concealer is blended. Next, I'm going to use a compact powder. I'm using Lakme 925 Primer Plus Matte Compact in the shade Ivory Cream. I'm going to apply this compact all over my face. So first, I'm taking a smaller brush and applying it just under my eyes and on my eyelid as well. And then with a powder brush, I'm going to apply it all over my face, even on top of the tint. Next, to fill up my eyebrows, I'll use Lakme Micro Brow Perfector in the shade Coffee. The eyebrows are done. For my eyes, I'm not going to do any sort of eye makeup. I'm just going to use a bit of mascara. I'm using Maybelline Falsies Lash Lift Mascara. I recently bought this mascara and I really like it, guys. It is such a nice mascara. This side is with mascara, this side is without mascara. This is my new favorite drugstore mascara, guys. It is so good. After applying the mascara, I'm going to use the lip tint on my lips, and I'll give you a little tip. Just ensure that your lips are hydrated before you're applying the tint and they're not dry, because otherwise the tint is gonna badly latch onto those dry patches and it's not going to look nice. So apply a little bit of lip balm before you use any tint. What I like to do is, after applying the tint, I use my finger to blend it on my lips. And after doing this, I take a piece of tissue paper and press my lips against it. This step ensures that there is no excess tint on your lips and it is nicely set on them. The makeup is done. This is the final look, but I'm going to show you one extra step which is completely optional, and that is applying a lipstick. I'm going to use Maybelline Touch of Spice. I'm going to press my lips one last time on the tissue paper. I just wanted my lip color to be completely matte. That's it, guys. This is the final look. This is actually my go-to makeup look 99% of the times. Like, I don't apply a full face of makeup everywhere I go. In fact, I don't even use foundation or BB creams much. This is what I do most of the times. I really hope that you enjoyed watching this tutorial. If you're not following me on Instagram, then maybe you can consider following me on Instagram. I post some makeup related content and video updates on my Instagram handle. And if you haven't subscribed to our channels already, then please consider subscribing to our channels. We've got two channels. This one where I post beauty content and another one where we post daily vlogs. I'm going to leave all the links in the pinned comment of the comment section below. Do check it out. If you do like our content, then consider subscribing and following. Thank you so much again for watching this video, guys. You take care and stay safe. I'm going to see you in the next one. Bye-bye. I need to wash my fingers. There's a lot of tint on my fingers.